Yes, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to explore how Venn diagrams can help us understand sequence set operations and joins. This is a creative and visual way to grab these concepts, which are essential for working with databases. I will analyze two Venn diagrams, one about superheroes and another about types of pets. By the end of this video, you will see how these diagrams can simplify complex SQL queries. Here you can see the Venn diagram, superheroes, and the other is type of pets. Yes, first let's look at the existing Venn diagram about superheroes. It has four data sets: dead parent, wears red, rich, and fight crime. Here's how the overlapping regions work. For example, Spider-Man in this intersection of dead parents wears red and fight crime. This means he has all three threats. Let's answer some questions about this diagram. First, the union of fight crime and wears red includes all superheroes in either database and in other datasets like Iron Man. Look at the Iron Man there, the Spider-Man, and Batman. Then next, the intersect of dead parents, wears red, and fight crime gives us Spider-Man, who has all three threats. Now, let's look at except. If we exclude Harry Potter from the rich dataset, we are left with superheroes who are rich but, but don't wear red. For inner join, Iron Man is the only superhero in all four categories: dead parents, wears red, rich, and fight crime. Then we'll now go to left join. Left join between wears red and fight crime returns all superheroes who wear red, along with those who fight crime if they match. Then we'll now go to right join. Right join does the opposite of left join. It returns all superheroes who fight crime, along with those who wear red if they match. Then finally, full join combines all superheroes from both datasets, whether they match or not. Yes, the most interesting insight here is that James Bond is not rich, which we can represent using SQL logic. Fight crime intersect dead parents, except wears red, except rich. Now let's move on to the Venn diagram I created, and which is the types of pets. The four data sets are dogs, cats, birds, and fish. Here, here's how the circle overlap. Dogs and cats have some similarities, but birds and fish don't overlap at all. This means no pet is both a bird and a fish. Now, let's answer some questions about this Venn diagram, types of pets. First, the union of dogs and cats includes all pets in either dataset, like Labrador, Poodle, Siamese, and Persian. Then next, the interset of dogs, cat, and birds is empty because no pet belong to all three categories. Then for except, if we exclude goldfish from the fish dataset, we are left with pets that are fish but not dogs, cats, or birds. Then we now move to inner join. Inner join does not apply here because no pet is common to all four datasets. Then left join between dogs, left join between dogs and cats returns all dogs along with any cat that match. Right join does not right join does the opposite of left join. It returns all cats along with any dogs that match. Then we now move to full join. Full join combines all pets from both datasets, whether they match or not. The most interesting insight here is that no pet is both a bird and a fish, which we can represent as birds except fish. Now let me summarize what I have been able to feature out here. From the superheroes Venn diagram, we saw how to use union, intersect, and accept to analyze relationship between datasets. We also learned how inner, left, right, and full joins work by looking at overlapping regions. From the PETS Venn diagram, we saw how this concept apply to a completely different topic. The key, the key takeaway is that sorry, the key takeaway is that Venn diagram are versatile tool for understanding data relationship. The most interesting insight were, were that James Bond is not rich and that no pet is both a bird and a fish. This insight can be represented using SQL logic, which makes it easier to write queries. With this, I think I've been able to analyze both superheroes and types of pet Venn diagrams and how this concept will apply in the real world. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you see how Venn diagram can simplify SQL concepts. Thank you.